Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Device to Oppo A54s. You need to start by going into Play Store on both Oppo devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. Then choose Open. Now you need to tap on, from this screen over here, I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Send on Oppo smartphone over here and Receive on Oppo A54s over here. Now you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files that you wish to send and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one file, only for example. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Over here on Oppo A54s, choose No Thanks and close this window. Now finally we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon over here, choosing while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and tap on Receive. And now as you can see, after a couple of seconds my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!